Hello and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video we'll be taking a look at the market as a whole for the coming week, whilst also taking a look at one index and one stock. Now the index I'll be looking at is Nifty Midcap. I'm looking at it as expiry is on Monday, so tomorrow, and I'll be looking at what levels can play out and what can be expected in the Nifty Midcap index due to that. Moreover, I'll also be taking a look at State Bank of India and what traders can expect from it. Now, before we dwell into State Bank of India and Nifty Midcap, now the key news which is there for this week is we see that this week is number one, the start of the new financial year, and the new auto sales data will be coming out for the month of March. Hence, many auto stocks such as Maruti, Hero, Asia and all will be in focus. In fact, tomorrow's article also will be on Hero Motorcorp. So as I believe that chart is also forming some very interesting patterns. So do read that once it comes out on investing.com. And the second important news is the Federal Reserve Chair Powell's speech. Basically, globally, all the markets will be focusing on the speech scheduled on April 3rd. This is as it will set the tone of what to expect in the coming weeks in terms of the Fed. Then also this week is again another important week because due to the RBI, this is as the RBI will be having a monetary policy committee meeting for 3 days, and they will announce everything on April 5th. Most people are not expecting anything of a rate cut because the RBI will be waiting for a cue from the Federal Reserve before they start doing anything. So it's expected that the RBI will just stay as it is, keep the rates as it is, and the only thing which will be important to watch is the commentary the governor makes afterwards. Moreover, there is the PMI numbers coming on April 4th and the PMI manufacturing data on April 2nd. So this week is a heavy data week, and the key thing which will be in focus, I would say, will be the RBI policy, as that will govern how the markets are going to perform and are also going to act as a leash on the market until April 5th. Now coming to the stocks. Now the first one we're looking at is State Bank of India. Now State Bank of India has been basically in sort of a box range from Feb of this year, as it has been moving within a certain range. However, now I believe State Bank of India has reached an important inflection point, and it will be very important for it to continue holding the above 730 mark. But if it breaks the high of last week, which is basically 760 rupees, then we can expect the stock to do a rally of up to 780 to 790. If it manages to break this, then 820 is the next target for the stock. I believe as long as we stay above this candle, there is a high likelihood of us reaching 820. As we can see, the trend indicator has basically it came back to zero, but it did not even break below zero for a single minute. So that is a very positive sign. Okay, the volume buildup is all confused, so now we'll have to get some volume coming up, and if that happens, then 820 will be an easy target to reach. However, the key thing is for it to break 780 to 790, that is the primary hurdle as of now. On the other hand, by chance, if things go wrong for it and it breaks 730, then 702 and 680 are the next levels which people ought to focus on. Now we'll take a look at the Nifty Midcap. Now the Nifty Midcap index, when we take a look at it, we see that there's a lot going on for this. The reason I say that is you can see there is two clustered support zones between that is a mistake. There is a support zone at 10,500, which has been holding the index up from the prior, I would say, 2 trading sessions. This is it had a big move up. When we look at the past, we had formed a high volume bullish candle, after which we had a sharp move up, and now it has managed to come above a previous high. And if it can manage to hold on to support of 10,500, then there's a high likelihood this week we will see 10,750 rupees in the index. However, if I expect this to be a cap for this week's expiry. Once this week's expiry passes tomorrow, then is only when 10,750 can be blown through. Until then, I expect this to act as sort of a ceiling for us. On the other hand, by chance it breaks the support at 10,500, then things can go wrong for it and it can fall to 10,420 and 10,340. So this is going to be a seesaw type of game, as it will be very important to see whether it's able to hold 10.5 and go up. So overall, I expect I'm seeing positivity in the market, and due to that I expect Midcap Nifty and also State Bank of India to be able to do well in the coming sessions, provided they hold the current levels. So if you found it interesting, then do hit the like button, and thank you for watching.